Hello, and welcome back to another Glass in the Dark video. I'm Paul, and in this series we're opening boxes. That's right, it's What's in the Box. I am an avid uranium glass collector, specifically Vaseline glass, and I bring a lot of things into my collection. Sometimes I sell them again, sometimes I keep them forever. So I just wanted to share a little bit of what comes in, just for fun. Today I have some very special glass that I've been waiting a little bit to open. We've got 2 boxes and 1 envelope. Let's check it out. Wow. I know, this one's huge. Okay, so let's start with this. The Museum of American Glass sent me this Portieux DVD. It contains PDFs of their catalog. I'm a huge French glass collector, and I am super excited to have PDF versions of their catalogs now. Our next box is a little beat up and came all the way across the pond from France. Oh wow. Shipped in a paper bag. They're small, and they're fully wrapped. Wow, they smell like the same way that almost any antique store smells. I know it's weird, but I like to see what they smell like sometimes. I mean, not if it smells really bad, or like, God forbid, like a diaper or something.
Disgusting!
This is a bit nightmarish. Here we go. Ooh. She is very, very old. That's for sure. Ugh. Time for number 2. Wonderful. So, 2 salt cellars from France, most likely Portieux. I am not sure. I have this as a butter dish, and I have not seen this pattern before, but both of them fabulous and very old. Well, it's time for the big box. Are you ready? I'm just gonna get these out of the way. Oh wow. I'm feeling a little dwarfed. So there are 3 things inside. The seller did a very nice job of making a big box. There's a box in a box. We're getting there, ladies and gentlemen. I don't think that one's supposed to be there. Okay, get out of here. Get out of here. Ta-da! First off, this is a filler box. It's empty. But I can sell something in that. This one is the big one. The reason I bought it. It is. But we're going to unwrap it all together. Start with the smallest, work up to the biggest. That's how we do it here. Oh, what's in the box? Just go layer by layer. Okay, here we go. Damn. Damn, these are really heavy. They're crystal. So, last one. Whew. Here we go. Wow. It's got almost like a cathedral window pattern. It's really beautiful. He was really trying to say that there was some damage, but this is in very, very good shape. It's absolutely stunning. Now let's check them out under the blacklight. That's all we got for you today. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of What's in the Box. I'm Paul, and this is the Glass in the Dark channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give the video a like, and tell your friends about it. We've got other content about uranium glass and vaseline glass if you haven't seen it already. This is Cereza, and she wants to say thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy hunting!